Hey fam, welcome back. So today we're making jambalaya rice. Just sit down, relax and enjoy this video. So here are our ingredients. We have hot dog, some bell peppers. I'm using green and red bell peppers. I'm using some fresh tomatoes, spring onions, a little bit of scotch bonnet for the heat, carrots. I have diced and chopped this in different ways, onions, some green beans. I'm using the very regular Nigerian rice. If you have basmati rice, please use it. Using some soft chicken that I had in the freezer, some tomato paste. Now these are spices. I'm using ginger, garlic, thyme, curry, a little bit of black pepper and allspice. So I'm going to start, after frying my chicken, I'm going to start with frying my onions or sauteing my onions for about a minute. Then I'm going to go in with my scotch bonnet pepper. Mind you, you can tweak this scotch bonnet pepper to how you like your heat to look like, or how you want your heat to be in your food basically. I don't know what I just said there, but you guys understand what I mean, right? So after that, I'm just going to go in with my tomato paste, and the reason I'm frying this first is because tomato paste has this acidity in it, so I really have to fry it for like a longer period of time just to get the acidity out of it. You're just going to fry this until like you start having this very tiny looking pebble kind of situation or something. Now I'm going to go with my salt, some seasoning cube. Another thing is I've added just one seasoning cube and a little bit of salt because I'm going to use my chicken stock and I don't want a chicken broth, so I don't want the seasoning to be overpowering or stuff. So now I'm just going to add the chicken broth to it. Mind you, this chicken broth was quite seasoned, so that's another reason why I kind of minimized the seasoning cube and the salt. Now I'm going to add my washed rice to this. Like I said earlier, if you have basmati rice, please use it because basmati rice is going to work better for this recipe. I have been unable to get basmati rice here, so I had to make do with what I had. Just there and make sure everything is well incorporated. After that, I'm going to add a little bit of water. Stir. Please don't add too much water because I feel like I kind of did that. I'm just going to cover with foil just to make sure the rice is going to cook in its own steam, because I really did not want to add a lot of water to this recipe or to this rice to make it soggy. After a while, I'm just going to check my rice and it's already cooked. I'm just going to stir. So I kind of made a mistake here. My rice kind of burnt for a bit. I think you guys are going to see that here. I don't know if, yeah, exactly. So my rice kind of burnt for a bit, so be watchful when you're cooking yours. Yeah, so after that, I'm just going to remove it from the fire and then put my frying pan on the fire. First, we're going to do our vegetable oil and then a little bit of onions again. Now I'm going to refine my green beans and my carrots. So I am frying this first because I always want my carrots and the green beans to get a little bit soft before every other thing. Now I'm going to go in with the hot dog. I'm just there and combine properly. I know it feels like the oil is like small, but I did not want any excess oil whatsoever. Now I'm going to add the fresh tomatoes. And then my spices from earlier. So guys, please, if you're liking this video, kindly give the video a thumbs up, kindly subscribe to my channel. I post about food and lifestyle. please share the video too if you like it. So I'm just going to go in with my green bell peppers and my red bell peppers. If you have yellow, please use it by all means. Basically, you can tweak this to anyhow you want it, really, because it's jambalaya, so everything and anything goes. If you have chicken, if you have beef, use it. Now I'm going to go in with soy sauce. I just realized that I didn't show you guys the soy sauce from the beginning, so I'm using a little bit of soy sauce here. Now, because I wanted a little bit of ginger and garlic flavor at the ending, I'm just adding them again. I already added them in the other spices container or whatnot, whatever that was. I'm just adding them again because I really want the spice to come out very well. Look at all this deliciousness. So after I'm done frying, I'm just going to transfer into the rice, and all I have to do now is keep on stirring and making sure everything is well incorporated. So also, this is where you get to check for taste. For me, everything was normal and everything was how I wanted it to be. You have to check for taste here, if there is anything that needs to be added, anything that needs to be moderated or something. Yeah, mine was okay. All you have to do now is stir, make sure everything is well combined, well incorporated. So after a few minutes, I've made sure everything was well incorporated. I've stirred enough. Now all I'm just going to do is to add in my spring onions. This is always going to be the last thing. I'm just adding my spring onions, and then I'm going to stir again, and we are done for this particular recipe. If you had a chicken, if you had beef, this is where you're going to add it at the end. So this, like, look at this thing, it's so, like, everything was sensing, it tasted so nice. So please guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to share the video. Let me know in the comment section what recipes you want me to try out, and if you do try this recipe out, please tag me on Instagram at King Daniel. And also, I forgot what I wanted to say, but yeah, thank you guys, bye.